Hi there. We're going to be looking at the ILIFE robotic vacuum. This in particular is the X5 robot vacuum and mop, and we're going to be taking a look at its features and what you'll get inside the box. So here goes. So out of the box you'll get a manual. This comes in Chinese and English, and you'll also get the robotic vacuum here. And if you look at it, here you go. It looks like a Roomba 600 series vacuum with the four buttons: the clean, the plan, the home, and spot clean. And if you open this cover here, it has the dustbin inside, and as you can see, it has two filters here. Excuse me. This one is the Hepa filter, and this is the screen, the mesh filter that blocks the larger particles from going inside the vacuum itself. And let me put this back in, and you'll just plug this back in like this. You just give it a push, and let's close it, and let's look underneath. You'll get, as you'll notice, this vacuum doesn't have a beater bar. It's just an opening where the vacuum sucks the air in, and this is the mop that where you can mop your dry mop. You can dry mop or wet mop your floors with it. And when you use the vacuum, you just take this off, take this mop off, and use this as is. And these are rubber wheels. Again, it's similar to the iRobot and Nito vacuums. The functionality is the same, and instead of one motorized brush that comes in the Nito and iRobot, this has two. So technically it will have more reach. It will reach further, and these brushes will funnel dirt inside here, inside the opening here. And this is the caster wheel that allows this robot to turn. And let's take a look at what else we got inside here. So we have here this is the virtual wall. It's similar to the virtual wall of Roomba, but it uses a smaller AA battery, whereas the Roomba uses a C battery. So this technically is cheaper to run, because these batteries aren't as expensive, and you can buy rechargeable batteries, rechargeable AA batteries. And you'll get two extra side brushes here, the left and the right, which is great. And you'll have a cleaning brush. I presume this cleaning brush is for cleaning this side brush here. So it's a nice tool to have. And you'll get this is the charging base, and this is the water tank for the mop. So as you can see, there's no holes in here, so this one is only used for mopping. You just fill the water up to here. See, it can hold up to 300 milliliters of water. And to use this, to replace this, all you need to do is push this up and take this dry container out and put the wet container in here. And what it does is the water drips on both sides here. As you put this in mop mode, the water trickles down here and wets the and it goes down. Actually, it comes down here. The water comes down here, and it makes the, it wets the mop here, so it turns this robot into a mopper, into a robot mop, similar to the Roomba, to the iRobot Scuba, but it doesn't scrub anything like that. And lastly, you'll get a remote control unit. You can use this to schedule. You can use this to clean, and you can use this to control the robot like an RC. You can dictate to it what direction you want it to take. And this is the docking button here, and this is the max if you want maximum suction, and this is the spot, and this is the time cleaning. And this one uses AAA batteries, so here you go, there you go. And lastly, this comes with a extra microfiber towel and a extra Hepa filter here. So there you go, the ILIFE X5 robot mop and vacuum.